Hey guys, it's Aman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey. We have a special video for you guys today. For the past week, we have been on vacation in the south of Portugal in the Algarve. And this is a pretty big thing considering what is going on in the world. But our situation here in Portugal is quite unique. You see, if you've been watching our channel, you know that we retired early at age 39 and moved to Lisbon, Portugal. And we have been having a wonderful time. But with the recent events in the world, we have spent a lot more time in our little apartment in Lisbon. But recently, Portugal lifted its state of the emergency and has allowed more freedom in the country. Now, depending on where you're at in the world, your situation may be different. But Portugal really got ahead of the situation here. And they are at a point where life actually feels quite normal. So you know that from our story, we love to travel. We had plans on traveling all over the world. Now we're still going to travel, but we're going to do a lot more travel within Portugal. And so on today's video, we are going to give you guys a glimpse into our recent vacation, which we are still on, and show you the villa that we are staying in.
So we're gonna give you a tour of this beautiful villa here in Portugal. And in the future, we're also gonna do more videos on real estate here in Portugal, focused on buying and renting real estate. But something we do wanna note is that we have noticed that housing prices have gone down significantly, even in the past couple of months. And that goes for buying homes and for renting homes too. And in fact, we actually got this villa for almost 50% off. But with that being said, let's take a tour of this beautiful villa. This house is a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house located in the Algarve in Portugal that we rented for the week. Now, our channel is all about making money, saving money, and investing money on the road to financial independence. And like Aman said, we reached financial independence, quit our jobs, and retired in Lisbon, Portugal. And we were self-isolating in our apartment in Lisbon for more than 5 weeks before the Portuguese government lifted its state of emergency on Monday, May 4th. So we decided to get out of our apartment for a week to enjoy more space and to spend more time outside. So we were definitely looking for a place with a pool, and this pool wraps around the entire backside of the house. And this house also has a jacuzzi on the roof, which we'll show a little bit later in the video. So we've pretty much been spending the entire week outside all day long, either in the pool, the backyard, on the rooftop, in the jacuzzi, or even just eating outside. And the house is just at this perfect location. There's a huge golf course to the right of the house, and you can bike to the beach from the house. And from almost every window in the house, you can either see the golf course or the ocean or both. So let's go inside the house and show the living room and dining room area. You can see the pool wrapped around the house from the living room, and there are huge floor-to-ceiling windows in the living room. And other than the one wall that connects the living room to the kitchen, the entire living room is surrounded in glass windows, and you get these amazing views. From any point in the living room, you see the pool, the golf course, and the ocean. And there's a large dining table that seats 8 and a fireplace for if it gets cold during the winter. But the weather in the Algarve is amazing at this time of year, and it's basically sunny all day. So one of the many things we like about this space is the indoor-outdoor connection. In addition to the floor-to-ceiling windows, the living room also has 3 doors that lead directly outside to the pool deck. So it has this really open feel to the space. So next, let's take a look at the kitchen and some more of the outdoor space. So this kitchen pretty much has everything. It comes fully furnished with bowls and plates and silverware, all of the basic things, but it also has these really fun amenities. So it has a built-in espresso machine, it has an ice maker, a water filter, and it even has a tap to hook up a keg if you're having a large get-together. There's a ton of cabinet space in the kitchen, and the fridge and freezer are almost camouflaged because they look like all the other cabinets so they don't stand out. So overall, the kitchen is really spacious. The island in the middle of the kitchen provides a lot of counter space for all 4 of us to be in the kitchen at the same time. And the kitchen is located right on the other side of the living room, and just like the living room, the kitchen has floor-to-ceiling windows with doors that lead directly outside. And outside, there's a gas barbecue that we use almost every day. And there's also a picnic table outside that we eat at every day just because we really want to enjoy being outside after having been inside every day for at least 23 hours, more than 5 weeks straight in our Lisbon apartment. So downstairs, there's 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. The first bathroom is just a standalone bathroom with a toilet and a sink. The second bathroom is connected to the downstairs bedroom. The bedroom is really bright. It also has floor-to-ceiling windows on one side of the bedroom with floor-to-ceiling closets in the room also. And this is a side of the house where you can see the living room, the kitchen, and the downstairs bedroom, which also has a door leading directly outside. Now, upstairs on the second floor is where the rest of the bedrooms and the bathrooms are. So the second floor has 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. And the second floor is actually where the main entrance to the house is. But there are 2 gates leading up to the house. One leads to the main entrance of the house, and the other leads to the first floor of the house and the garage. And once you walk into the house from the main entrance, you can access all the bedrooms and the bathrooms on the second floor, and you can go out on the balcony, but you can also look over and see the living room space and the pool. So let's check out the bedrooms and bathrooms on the second floor. The first bedroom on the second floor is the main bedroom. It has a large tub and a shower, and from the shower you can see the ocean. And from the bedroom you can also go out on the balcony. And from there you can see the ocean view, and you also get a view of the golf course. Now, all of these bedrooms also have floor-to-ceiling windows, but because they're on the second floor and they face the golf course, people from the golf course can actually see into the house, especially at night. So each room has mechanical blinds that you can raise or lower that can cover the entire window, or you can partially open it if you want. The second room on the second floor also has full floor-to-ceiling windows with a balcony access and the ocean and golf course views. The third room on the second floor is pretty much like the second room, with full floor-to-ceiling windows, balcony access, and the ocean and golf course views. And finally, here's the fourth bathroom in the house. So we have to show you the main entrance to the house because the windows just make it look so bright and open. And from the main entrance, you can see the stairway, the balconies, and the doors to the bedrooms. But remember, there are 2 gated main entrances to the house which are really high and far back. And this side of the house doesn't face the golf course. So even though there are floor-to-ceiling windows here, there's no way to see inside the house if someone's off the property outside of the gates. So from inside of the house, you get this really open, spacious feel because of the design of the windows. But that's not the end of it because the house also has rooftop views. Actually, there's a jacuzzi on the roof and an entire deck and table area. And from the roof, you can see the ocean and the golf course. So we spend a lot of time in the jacuzzi here too. And when we don't feel like being in the pool or the jacuzzi, we head to the garage where we can play ping pong, darts, play with a pinball machine, or pull out the bikes and go for a ride. So that's a complete tour of this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the Algarve in Portugal. Like we said, in the future, we'll do more Portugal real estate videos along with our videos on saving money, making money, and investing money for financial independence and retiring early. So remember, if you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.